In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text, adjust typography, and apply drop shadow effects. Let's start by adding some text. Locate the T icon in your editor's toolbar and click it to activate the text tool. Then click anywhere on your canvas to place a text box and type something simple to work with, like the word example. Keeping your text selected will make sure the formatting options apply to the right element as we go. Now look over to the right side of your screen. This is where the styling controls live. Open the typography section to access the core text settings. Begin with the font size, increase or decrease it until your text has the right visual weight for your layout. A larger size helps with headers and emphasis, while a smaller size suits captions or secondary information. If the text starts to wrap awkwardly, that's your sign to fine-tune the size for readability and balance. Next, adjust the color. You can also change the color right here. For this demonstration, I'll change it to black. Black is a reliable choice for strong contrast and legibility on light backgrounds. If you're working on a darker background, consider a lighter shade instead for better visibility. Always aim for a color that makes the text easy to read without straining the eyes. While you're in typography, you can also change the font. Choose a style that matches your project's tone. Serif fonts often feel traditional and formal, while sans serif fonts look clean and modern. As you switch fonts, keep an eye on spacing and letter shapes, since different typefaces can slightly alter how large or compact your text appears at the same size. When you're happy with the basic styling, head to the effects section to enhance the text further. If you want to edit the text's appearance in a more visual way, effects can add depth and presence. For example, select a drop shadow. This creates a subtle separation between the text and the background. You can adjust it to get the look you want, tweak the blur to soften or sharpen the edge, adjust the opacity so the shadow feels natural rather than heavy, and change the angle and distance to match your lighting direction or to improve readability. Small changes here go a long way. Aim for a shadow that supports the text without stealing attention from it. That's it. By adding your text, fine-tuning typography, selecting a readable color like black, choosing a suitable font, and refining a drop shadow in effects, you've created clean, clear,